Ever pondered about the intricacies of private lenders and mortgages? To explore this terrain, consider a journey to Darwin, a vibrant city in Australia's Northern Territory, where the real estate market is as diverse as its landscape. Imagine a young couple, full of dreams, keen to plant their roots in the heart of Darwin. Let's call them the Robinsons. They've found their dream house, but there's a hitch. The traditional banks aren't willing to lend them the required funds due to their irregular income. The Robinsons are self-employed, and although their business is thriving, their income fluctuates. So what do? They turn to a private lender. Private lenders, unlike traditional banks, offered a more flexible approach towards lending. They considered more than just the borrower's credit score and income stability. They look at the bigger picture, assessing the borrower's entire financial situation, the value of the property in question, and the borrower's equity or down payment. The Robinsons, with a thriving business and substantial equity, are ideal candidates. The Robinsons approach a reputable private lender in Darwin. The lender, after assessing their situation, agrees to fund their dream home. The interest rates are higher than those of traditional banks, but the Robinsons have the option to pay off their loan early without the burden of prepayment penalties. A win-win situation, wouldn't you agree? Now, you might wonder, how does this work for the private lender? Well, the higher interest rates compensate for the increased risk they undertake. And in case the borrower defaults, the private lender can sell the property to recoup their investment. So in our case study, the Robinsons get their dream home, and the private lender makes a profitable investment. That's the beauty of private lending in Darwin, a city that embodies the spirit of resilience and adaptability. In summary, private lenders in Darwin offer a lifeline to borrowers who may not meet the stringent requirements of traditional banks. They provide a flexible, more holistic approach to lending, considering the borrower's entire financial situation and the value of the property. While the interest rates may be higher, the absence of prepayment penalties and the possibility of early payoff make private lending an attractive option for many. Remember, however, that every coin has two sides. The higher interest rates and the risk of losing one's property in case of default are aspects to consider. Therefore, it is crucial to make an informed decision, taking into account one's financial situation and borrowing capacity. So if you're ever in a situation like the Robinsons, remember that private lenders are an option worth considering. They hold the potential to make dreams come true, one property at a time. It's all about understanding the dynamics and making the right choices. And that, dear friends, is the essence of private lenders and mortgages in Darwin.